Speak English fluently with these powerful tips. 9 ways to improve your English. Improving your English speaking skills is an exciting journey that requires consistent practice, determination, and the right strategies. Here are 9 powerful tips to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Hash 1. Practice daily conversations. The key to fluency is regular practice. Find opportunities to speak English daily, whether with friends, language exchange partners, or even yourself. Engage in conversations about everyday topics like your plans, interests, or current events. Speaking frequently builds confidence and helps you overcome hesitation. Tip: join online communities or apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to connect with English speakers worldwide. 2. Think in English. One of the biggest obstacles to fluency is the habit of translating sentences from your native language to English. Start thinking directly in English to make your speech more natural. This might feel challenging at first, but it's a crucial step toward fluency. Exercise. Narrate your daily activities or thoughts in English. For example, as you cook, think, "I'm chopping the vegetables. Now I'm adding the spices." 3. Expand your vocabulary. A rich vocabulary makes it easier to express yourself. Learn new words daily and understand their usage in context. Focus on words and phrases you're likely to use in conversations. Tip: use flashcards or apps like Anki and Quizlet to memorize new words. Try to incorporate them into sentences right away to reinforce learning. Master common phrases and expressions. Instead of learning isolated words, focus on common phrases and expressions. This approach helps you sound more natural and conversational. For example, learn phrases like "how's it going" or "what's up" instead of sticking to formal greetings. Tip: watch TV shows, movies, or YouTube channels to pick up everyday expressions. 5. Listen actively. Listening is a vital part of improving your speaking skills. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words, use intonation, and structure sentences. Mimic their style to improve your fluency. Exercise. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or news channels in English. Pause and repeat sentences to practice pronunciation and rhythm. 6. Work on pronunciation. Clear pronunciation is essential for effective communication. Learn the correct sounds of English words and focus on your intonation, stress, and rhythm. Use online tools or apps to practice pronunciation. Tip: record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers. Websites like Forvo and apps like Elsa Speak can help you refine your pronunciation. 7. Immerse yourself in English. Immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surround yourself with English content and create an environment where you're constantly exposed to the language. Ideas: change the language settings on your devices to English, watch English TV shows, and read English books, newspapers, or blogs. 8. Be patient and consistent. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient and focus on consistent progress. Accept that making mistakes is part of the learning process, and don't let fear hold you back. Motivation: celebrate small achievements. such as completing a conversation without hesitation or using new vocabulary correctly. 9. Get feedback and learn from mistakes. Feedback is essential for growth. Speak with teachers, mentors, or fluent English speakers who can correct your mistakes and suggest improvements. Learning from your errors helps you avoid repeating them. Tip: join language learning groups or enroll in online classes where you can interact with experienced instructors. Final thoughts. Speaking English fluently is a gradual process that requires practice, dedication, and the right strategies. By incorporating these 9 tips into your daily routine, you'll see significant improvements in your confidence and communication skills. Remember, the more you practice, the closer you'll get to achieving fluency. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with your friends.